Boo, 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 stop shaking, iPhone. So really quick here, we're just gonna be starting this vlog a little bit different. I just want to do like a quick review of this kit. This is the Master Grade Sinanju. I believe it's the OVA version. I'm not sure. It's not the Verka, that's for sure. Okay. I think this is the better version of the Sinanju. I could be wrong. Somebody can correct me, but that's just my opinion. Solely because I think it's got extra weapons, like an extra cannon or gun or something. I'm not really familiar with it, but yeah, it's a very cool kit. That's for sure. It looks incredible. I have already built the mechanical clear version, and that one looks cool to me. I still prefer the mechanical clear version because I like clear kits. This looks awesome for me. All right. And also the reason I'm doing a review of this kit is because I'm building it next. It's my next custom for the USA Gundam store build off. So quickly here, we'll just go over the kit itself. What the problems that you're gonna have when you're building this kit is it has a hard time holding on to its weapons, mainly the cannon and the gun that it's got. So let me show this the weapons really quick, which is this two here. Looks fairly awesome, right? So apparently he can combine this two, and he could have like a gun, cannon, beam type thingy. I'm not gonna do a full transformation. I just want to quickly show it. Essentially, it's gonna look like this right there. That's one of the weapons. Also, you got the awesome looking shield right over here. Boom, boom. Why is it so dark? I don't know. There. Right there. It's got the Xeon logo right there. And then the I believe it could be a long or short axe. So right there. And you get two of these things here, right? And you can combine them both to look like this right here. Also, you can attach this same thing here, the same two axe thingies on the shield to make them look like this. I'm just giving a general idea of what it could look like. I'm just not gonna assemble it because that would take a while. Also, it comes with two beam swords right there. And the cool thing about these things is you can attach it right there on this little armor right here. You just plug it in inside, and then you can have both of them right there. It could look like a mini Wolverine stuff thingy, whatever. And yeah. Oh, and with this clear effect parts that came with the axe thing, you can also replace this, right? I know it's tiny, with the really long one right there, which is like almost the size of the kit. Well, the height at least. So that would look ridiculous. Okay, and so same thing, you can attach this, the same thing on the shield if you want to, right there, like that, with this axe thing. So it's essentially gonna look like this. Yeah, like that. You know what I'm saying? Oh, also this comes with the you can also, I believe, attach the giant bazooka thing to the shield. But yeah, you can. You definitely can. I'm not gonna do it, but you definitely can, because it's right there. Boom. On the shield. Crazy. And then you can attach those two mini axes on the side, so it will look ridiculous. So now really quick here, I've already tried it, that's why I know. Because of that, the kit has trouble holding on to the weapons, especially when you combine the beam cannon and the beam bazooka thingy to like this, right? It has trouble doing that. Also, attaching this thing here, the shield on the side, it comes up like that. There's a little arm holder right there where it attaches to, right? And then the support that you can also use to hang on hang the shield on the arms is right there. You could also use that, so that's another support so that he could hang on to it. But I'll be honest with you, it was pretty hard to attach this thing in there. You're gonna run into a couple of problems when you're building this. I didn't completely build the entire thing because they are a pain to attach in. Let me stop this here. Let me just demonstrate what I'm talking about. So one bad part about this kit, or maybe it's just me, is the arms. The arms can't, it has a hard time holding on to the weapons. So that's another reason why this kit can't hold on to the weapon. Whoop, oh, it's gonna fall down. Let me just show this. Like, it's got a peg right there on the hand where you could attach the weapon, but that peg is not strong enough, at least for me. So that's a pain to attach. Also, the little springs that this kit comes with on the that you attach on the the waist, which is, I don't know if people can see this right here. It's on the waist. In the end, you're gonna need to glue this thing in there because it detaches really easy. If you turn them and then you move all kinds of stuff, that thing comes off easy like that. You know what I'm saying? So that's the problem right there. Also, let me see. Well, the hands for this kit, although it looks cool, it's almost like an individual, but not really. The problem you're gonna have with it is the fingers. I'm running out of breath. What the hell? The fingers comes off pretty easy, especially when you mess with it. Why is it so dark? There you go. This fingers right here, they detach easy when you start messing with it. So that's another issue you're gonna have. What also? While I was building this kit, also the problem I had going for me was these little spikes here. They're a pain in the ass to put in. So that's another issue I had. But you know, other than that, this kit looks incredible. All right. Also be careful, before I forget, be careful with the pegs on the waist, because I don't know, maybe it's just me or I'm just a scaredy cat, but when you attach the upper torso to the lower torso, it still feels like it's not all the way in when you put it in. So you could easily break it, I think. At least for this kit that I built. Maybe it's different for other kits, but for this one, that's the problem I've had building this kit. So even if I push it in all the way with as hard as I can, it is scary because it's still floating up there, which is nuts. Yeah, I don't know if people can see this. That's with me like pushing it with reasonable strength. It's just not going in there, and I'm afraid of pushing it in a little even more because I might break the pegs, and then I'm gonna have to buy a new kit. So that's not cool. Okay. But yeah, essentially that's what this kit is. I would give this kit 8 out of 10. Look wise, you give it 10 out of 10. It looks freaking crazy awesome. But you know, like build wise, the issue you're gonna run into, I'll give it 8 overall. That's just me. That's a long freaking review. Holy crap. And I didn't even go over the runners. It came with a lot of runners. That's all I'm gonna say. At least I want to say 15. Hold on. Let me go count. Let me see here. I still got all the runners, so that's cool. So quickly, we just go over how many runners we got. I'm not gonna show how many runners on the camera individually because you know that would take a long time. I'm just gonna count it. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But wait, there's more. That's 20. Oh, so many. 20, 21, 22, and 23. And we'll count this as a runner. It comes with 4 springs, but I guess you only use 2. Maybe there's a use for this right there, but I guess there's 24. Also comes with a sticker right there. Gold, if you want to be bold, it comes with a gold water slide decals right there. And dry transfer right there, and these are stickers right here. So it's either you use the water slide or the dry transfer and the stickers right there. Whew. But yeah, just a quick summary of the what this kit is. Yeah, that's it. Fairly awesome. So let me break this thing down here. I'll be right back. Let's talk about other stuff. Okay, hold up. Whew. Okay, I'm done. Oh, that setup took a while. Let me eat my ice cream. Cheese and rice. Ever tried the Macapano? It's like a baby coconut ice cream. It's the best freaking ice cream I've ever had. So, what are my plans for this kit to do with it? I'm probably gonna try something new besides scribing. I mean, I'm still gonna scribe with this kit, but I am gonna try to do. How do you say this? I am gonna try to show more of the inner frame. So in order for me to do that, I'll be showing more. I'll be doing more. I'm gonna be doing more. Showing more details with this kit via subtraction. Meaning I'm gonna be trying to expose the inner frame for this kit. Also gonna be scribing and also gonna be plating, maybe. But definitely I'm gonna scribe and I'm gonna do some subtraction to show some of these kits inner frame. Color scheme wise, like I said, I'm trying to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone since I am entering this on the USA Gundam Store build off. This is the kit that I'm gonna be working on. I'm gonna be doing the clean version, even though it's gonna look like it's dirty as hell or weathered. It's not. It's gonna be clean, I swear. Cause I'm gonna be designing this with just like the Turn X. Let me take this off. So the color scheme will be almost like the Turn X, but in different patterns and different placements of the colors. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Because I did say also that I want to build like 4 or 5 villain kits with the same color scheme. They're gonna be like my evil Power Rangers for Gundams and stuff. So that's what my plan is with this kit. But I'm also afraid that I'm not gonna finish this in time. I know the deadline is May 1st, I believe. But since I'm a very slow builder, I might not finish in time. That's just me. Hopefully I do. I know it's like a month and a half from now, but trust me, when I start working on the skits and with my work schedule and all that stuff, it's gonna take me a while. Some people could probably do their stuff in like 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Me, month and a half to 2. That's just me. Also, I'm probably not gonna use all of this kit's weapon, just some. I'm still debating if I'm gonna use the double weapon thing here and the shield, or maybe just the shield and the weapons and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to decide that. But we'll see. We'll see what I'm gonna do with it. Let me get more ice cream. Oh, this thing's good. I need to buy a new blade because I don't know. I buy these cheap blades from Walmart right here, and I keep breaking them to the point where I can't get the blade out. If anybody knows how to take this out easy without cutting yourself, because I'm scared as hell to try to muscle this thing. I can't get it out. I'm gonna have to buy a new one. This is the gears that I'm working with. Walmart blades and Walmart nippers. Alright. So yeah. And this little brush thing here, I got this from a hair clipper. Bruh. But yeah, so that's it. That's all that's going on with me for now. You know, just a quick vlog with a V. Okay, that's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.